7 minutes 7-day essential workout exercises. Let's do IR. Exercise number 1, bench dips. Instructions. Position yourself with your hands on a bench, fingers pointing forward, and legs extended in front. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your body. Push back up to the starting position, engaging your triceps. Benefits. Bench dips effectively target the triceps, chest, and shoulders. By engaging the core, this exercise also aids in building upper body strength and toning the muscles around the arms. Regular practice enhances overall arm definition, contributing to a sculpted and toned appearance. Exercise number 2, bodyweight wall squat. Instructions. Stand with your back against a wall. Feet hip-width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees until they form a 90-degree angle. Hold this position for the desired duration, focusing on engaging your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Benefits. The bodyweight wall squat strengthens the lower body, targeting key muscle groups such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. This exercise enhances stability, balance, and endurance. Its time-efficient nature makes it an essential component of your daily workout, promoting overall leg strength and toning. Exercise number 3, bridge pose to Bandhasana. Instructions. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, creating a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold the position, engaging your core and squeezing your glutes. Benefits. The bridge pose targets the core, lower back, and glutes. It promotes flexibility in the spine, strengthens the posterior chain, and improves overall stability. Incorporating this yoga-inspired exercise into your routine contributes to better posture and a holistic approach to fitness. Exercise number 4, crab twist toe touch. Instructions. Sit with knees bent, hands behind you, fingers pointing away. Lift your hips off the ground, alternating between touching your toes with the opposite hand while twisting your torso. Engage your core throughout the movement. Benefits. The crab twist toe touch engages the core and obliques, enhancing flexibility and coordination. Its dynamic nature adds a cardiovascular element, making it an effective full-body exercise. Regular practice contributes to improved agility and a toned midsection. Exercise number 5, good morning squat. Instructions. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, hands behind your head. Hinge at the hips, lowering your torso forward while keeping your back straight. Engage your hamstrings and glutes as you return to the starting position. Benefits. The good morning squat targets the lower back, hamstrings, and glutes. It improves hip hinge mechanics, promoting strength in the posterior chain. This compound exercise enhances functional fitness, aiding in daily activities and contributing to overall athletic performance. Exercise number 6, high knee squat. Instructions. Perform a squat while lifting one knee towards your chest. Alternate legs with each repetition, maintaining a brisk pace. Focus on engaging the quadriceps, hamstrings, and core, Benefits: the high knee squat combines cardiovascular benefits with lower body strengthening. It targets key muscle groups while improving coordination and balance. This exercise is an efficient way to boost calorie burn, increase endurance, and enhance overall leg strength. Exercise number 7, Kneeling Push-Ups. Instructions: start in a kneeling position with hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping a straight line from head to knees. Push back up to the starting position. Benefits: kneeling push-ups build strength in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. This modified variation is ideal for those working towards full push-ups. Regular practice tones the upper body, contributing to improved pushing movements and overall upper body strength. Exercise number 8, Stretching, Reverse Dip. Instructions: sit with hands behind you, fingers pointing towards your back. Lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from shoulders to heels. Hold the position, feeling a stretch in the shoulders and chest. Benefits: the reverse dip is a stretching exercise that targets the triceps and promotes upper body flexibility. It helps alleviate tension in the shoulders and enhances overall range of motion. Including reverse dips in your routine contributes to better posture and reduced stiffness. Embark on this transformative 7-minute 7-day essential workout challenge with me, and together, let's sculpt a stronger, healthier version of ourselves. Your daily commitment will make all the difference. Let the journey to a fitter you begin.